Hi, my name is Larry and welcome to this episode of Learn It with Larry. And in this episode, we're going to talk about two exciting iOS apps that you can now download for free, at least for now, and use your iOS devices like your iPad or your iPhone for your live production. So how does that work? Now let's talk about my setup. As you can see, I am sitting in front of a virtual background. In real life, I'm actually sitting in front of a green screen. I'm using my TriCaster to control all of that, and that includes removing the green or adding some layers of graphics and actually recording the whole show as well. Let's go to the main event, shall we? As I said a while ago, we're gonna show you two exciting iOS apps, and the first app that I'm gonna show you is called NDI HX Capture. What NDI HX Capture does is it takes your screen of your iOS device and then send it to your live production system. So how does that work? Now, I have my iPad right here, and I'm just gonna bring it to the screen so you can see it. And now I can have access to my iPad screen. To begin with, I just went to NDI HX Capture right here, and then I just pressed Start Broadcast. And with that, I'm now broadcasting my iPad source to my live production system. In this case, I am now in my iPad screen, and I can use this opportunity to show you one of the apps that's in here. Let's say ESPN Player. Now I can have this, and then I can see this app streaming to my TriCaster system. And not just that, you can also use this as a full screen source. Now with this, I have this, and I have all of this content that I can show you or show my viewers if I need to. So that's pretty sick. That's pretty good. Hope you like it. Another application of NDI HX Capture is actually for gamers out there. So if you're a gamer from iOS devices, you can now send your gameplay to your live production. So how does that work? Again, I'm using my iPhone right here. I'm gonna show you that using this. And let's say that I am a professional Sonic Dash player, if there's such a thing. So just gonna open my app right here, click play, and if you notice, the audio is also streamed to your live production. And we have it right here, and now I can jump. Yay, jump, yeah. Oh, I lost it. You get the point. So it's really, really cool. The next app that I'm gonna show you is called NDI HX Camera. So what this app does is it uses your iOS device's camera and then send that to your live production as one of your camera source. So it's really cool. How does that work? Again, I'm gonna show you my iPhone screen right here so you can have a look of what I'm doing. Now, all I have to do is look for NDI HX camera source. If I select this, then the NDI HX camera will be available for your network for you to choose in your live production. So now I'm gonna choose this, and then now I'm gonna switch to my camera. And then this is actually my camera, my iPhone output. And this is our set, and that's our producer right there. And this is a source coming from your iPhone. And it's really cool. You can use this, and you can actually use this as a selfie cam if you want to. It's really cool. Now, this application is really helpful, especially in live production where you have limited number of cameras. In live production, remember, the more sources you have, the better it will be for you to tell the story. And that's what we're trying to achieve here. If you can bring in more sources, like say your camera from your iOS devices or even the full screen display of your iOS devices, then that will definitely help you tell your story to your audience. I hope you enjoyed those two apps, and if you have any questions about this particular software or apps, you can always get back to us and we will be very happy to help you. Again, my name is Larry. Thank you for watching.